Hi everyone, welcome to the Pirate Pretties Jewelry Challenge. It's a double color jewelry collab challenge. For the month of April, the colors we were to use are black and gray, and then the metals are silver or gunmetal, which obviously I went with silver, and make a necklace. I'll talk about that in a minute. And fun element is optional and it's chain. Well, I made my own chain. I have lots of chain. I have some Jesse James chain, and I have some other chain I was thinking of using, and then at the last minute, I wasn't feeling it. So I had a few ideas brewing in my head, but I ended up making this chain. Um, and I think it turned out beautiful. I'll tell you what the items are, and then I want to show you. This has a lobster claw, but I kind of made it look, like it doesn't stand out. So I didn't want a huge one. Let me put these over here. These are closed twisted rings that I had bought years ago from Auntie's Beads Direct, I think it is. These are called Black Network Stone. And I got them from Michael's years ago. 8 millimeter black network stone. And they're black and gray, so I thought that was perfect. They have black with gray in them, so that fits both colorways in my opinion, but I didn't stop there. I went and looked in my freshwater pearls, and I had these, they're kind of odd shaped potato pearls, I guess they call them. See, that one's almost like a pear. Some are almost perfectly round, but they also have very small holes. I used 22 gauge wire and I wire wrapped every link. But then to get it to lay right with these, I did use tiny little 4 millimeter silver plated jump rings to hook it all together. And I did that for two reasons: to lay right, but also I I really wasn't sure what I was going to do for closure. And at one point I was thinking, well, maybe I'll have like a um, toggle clasp, like asymmetrical. Sorry. But I wasn't feeling that either. And so I wanted my options to be open basically when I was designing. And in the end, I just decided to stay with the lobster claw. Now, the thing about this is, it is a necklace, right? However, if we do that, and then that, and then that, anyway, you get the idea. It's a 3 layer bracelet, but your wrist can't be any bigger than. I could always add another link in if somebody wants it a little longer for them, but it fits me just right with a tiny little bit extra. So 7 inch would be a little snug. So up to a 7 inch, but not too much smaller than like 6.5, or it'll be really sagging. So anyway, I thought that was pretty cool. And then of course to go with it, now I have to see, here's the top. To go with it, I made 2 pair of earrings, and they're both the same except that one is with, hang on, sorry, I don't have my small earring cards. I think I'm out of them. I had to make some. I used the pearls, the silver metal balls. I forgot to talk about that. These were from Fire Mountain. They're 4 millimeter silver plated rounds. These are Swarovski, and they are crystal silver night zillion bicone 4 millimeter. So I know we can't do get Swarovski anymore, but you know what? I have a lot of it, and I'm not going to stop using it. So I don't see how I can be in trouble for buying something years ago. I'm going to use it. So anyway, I did the same thing. I brought in the rings, and then these have the black network stone, and these have the pearl, and then the pearls, because they have small holes, they went on featherweight silver plated head pins. I got them years ago in a pack of 4 different color ones. These are the silver, and they just have a tiny little ball on them, but see how thin those are? Because these, I used a domed head pin. It's more like a 21 gauge or 20 gauge maybe even. There's no way they would have gone through these pearls because I could not fit 20 gauge wire through them. 22 gauge didn't go through all of them either, but it went through enough that I could make the necklace. So yeah, that's the problem with freshwater pearls. The holes are often small, and some gemstones, a lot of gemstones. These are on surgical steel ear wires, and that's about it. That's my project for Pirate Pretties monthly jewelry challenge, the double color challenge, hashtag Pirate Pretties jewelry challenge. Click on the hashtag down below and see everyone else that participated. I know I've seen, I think, 2 other ones so far, but I haven't been on the computer a whole lot since early this morning, so I'm not sure. Maybe, yeah, I know I saw one that I know, and then I saw one pop up, but I didn't really see who it was. So, okay, guys, thank you for watching as always. I hope you come back in a few days on the, well, on the 18th, I have my own collab jewelry making fun, so be sure to come back for that one. I'm not going to give any hints, but I think we'll have some interesting pieces in the team that we have on that one, and we have about 10 participants in that, including myself. And then next month for this one, if you want to play along, she allows us to tell ahead. I like to surprise on mine, but her colors will be peach and pearl white, copper or silver, make a bracelet, and use filigree. And I think I'll have no problem using all of those items. All right, everyone, thank you for watching. Please leave comments down below. If you like this, leave a thumbs up, please. It really will help my channel get recognized in YouTube land. I would like to grow the channel a little more, at least, like to get 1,000 subscribers maybe. I'm sitting here at 850 something now for, I don't know, 6 months. So yeah, help me out that way. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And if you like this, please leave a thumbs up. And yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you again for watching.